People often use the natural world as inspiration for their inventions. By observing animals and plants, they design new products to serve humans. Here are some examples. Animals can do many things humans cannot, like flying, or staying underwater for a long time. The aeroplane, with its swings and shape imitating those of a bird, is one of the greatest inventions in our history. Thanks to it, people can travel long distances in the air. This has helped to develop trade and tourism. The submarine, which can travel underwater, imitates a dolphin shape. Submarines are very useful for scientists to learn about the undersea world. Plants around us are also great sources of ideas for other wonderful inventions. The self-cleaning glass window and the fabric used to make umbrellas are both inspired by the smooth leaves of a lotus plant, with their ability to wash away dirt in the rain. Another product is Velcro. This hook and loop fastener was invented after a Swiss engineer observed how the seeds of a plant clung to his clothing. He then made two fabrics stick together, thanks to the hooks on one surface and the loops on the other. Since then, Velcro has gradually become a familiar fastener for shoes, jackets, and even spacesuits. It is definitely true that nature has inspired numerous inventions and technologies. Scientists and inventors have tried to imitate something in nature in an effort to create better, stronger, safer tools and devices for our everyday life.